Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to do the time series ARDL model with Bootstrap critical values and Bootstrap tests. And these tests were developed by this paper. The authors are Sam, McNown, and Go. And in this paper, they have discussed about that the critical values, the cointegration of the variable also do depend upon the other variables that are there as a lag variables, because there is a spill lag effect that may come into the long run. So they have made a flowchart talking about that when you have two variables, they should be stationary. So the test includes that ensure all variables have integration order not more than unity, means they are integrated to one, not two. Then find the optimal lag order, then do the integration test. So cointegration test include this above equation where there is a change in the dependent variable, a lag of dependent variable, lag of independent variable. This will become convergence coefficient. This will become long run, and these are short run variables. And this is delta of short run, and this is delta for long run, and this is change for first lag of in independent variable, first lag difference, and these are some dummy variables. And when you run this model, if the overall test would be that this pi yy and pi yx dot x should be jointly not equal to 0 if there is cointegration. So if you do not able to reject null hypothesis, there will be no cointegration. So this overall F test that is provided by PSS, Prashant and Sin and Smith and Narayan must be significant. And after that, if you reject H0, you need to go further and explore for more. For that, you need to check for T for lag independent variable, if lag dependent variable, if TYY is 0 or not 0. If T statistics is upper critical bound, then what you will do, you will say that if reject H naught, if T statistics is upper than that, then if it is true, we'll go towards this case. And then in this case where we check for independent variables separately, and now there can be three possible outcomes. If the lag dependent is significant but independent variables are not significant, you say the degenerate lag dependent variable case, means that the long run relation is mostly explained by the lags of dependent variable. And if the lag dependent is not significant but other variables are significant, it's generate lag independent variable case, means that there might not be convergence coefficient but independent variables are explaining independent variable. And then if both of them are not 0, then there is cointegration. So these are three levels that are explained here. So we'll go towards R, and we know this how to do ARDL in R. I will share you the video regarding how to run this model. But for the Bootstrap ARDL, you need to install this library boot.ct and then load this library using this command. After that, these are some library codes that are shown in the video. That is, its description is shared in the its link is shared in the description. I will start with boot ARDL. So boot ARDL is boot underscore ARDL, data file, dependent variable, independent variables, maximum lags, bootstrapping. I made it to 200 only so that we can do it quickly. Otherwise, ideally it is 2000, or in the documentation it is just 2000. Case 3, because we need to add the intercept, and then we need critical values for 3 types, and then print the process. So when I run this command, control enter, so it will start doing the bootstrap process, and it will show you the overall test value. This is the Prasaren test value, so it is 4.808. So technically it is not bigger than any one of them. So and t value is minus 3.46. It is bigger than and then 5% value. So there's partially cointegration, but you should find more variables so that the f value is above. So this is the standard test that is shown here. This one, overall f test. Okay, so overall t test and upper critical value from Prasaren and Narayan. Narayan is the t test and PSS is the f test. Now it will take some time to do the bootstrapping. So when the bootstrap is complete, you can just run the summary boot ARDL, and it will show you detailed results. I will start from the top. First of all, it will give you the conditional model. So the conditional ARDL model, it will be only valid if there is cointegration in the overall F test. So it will give you the long run. So all of the lag of dependent is significant, and two independent variables are significant. Then these are short run variables. Okay, and then unconditional model. So in the unconditional model, there is only there are no differences for the lag zero variable. So this is unconditional model, and there are variables are also significant there. So there are two versions of ARDL that they have estimated. So after these, you can go towards that overall observation at 33, and this is the Prasaran PSS test, and it has these critical values. So the F value is this, and unconditional value is this, and you can compare it with the Bootstrap critical values. So 4.087 is smaller than conditional critical values, but the UC is also small. So it means that this model has no cointegration, and it can confirm with the Prasaran t-test. So t statistics is minus 3.486, and it is bigger than the 5% value, even 1% value, and the unconditional value is smaller than here this value. So conditional t statistics is significant. And then we'll go towards the SMG. SMG is the this test named on this by the authors of this paper. So it is Sam, McNown, and Go. So this is F independence variable test. That is the test that we showed here. I will show you in the table. And the flowchart that I discussed from this paper. This F independent variable test. So this is this one, a test on independent variables. Okay, so you can see it here that the test value is 6.068 and F 3.438, and the 6.608 is bigger than the 5% level, and the unconditional is smaller. So using the bootstrap test, there is cointegration in the independent variables. So I have summarized the three tests that we discussed here. What are these three? This overall, and one for this, and one for this, and based upon that you can describe what kind of relationship has been found. In my example, there is not complete cointegration because not the T and F both are not higher than the critical values. So you can change the variables to find appropriate results. So you can download this paper by searching the name, and it is published in Economic Modeling in 2018. Thank you very much for watching.